Before you begin, remove the access panel. Removal. Remove the two Torx T15 screws securing the cables to the optical drive and I/O frame. Disconnect the cables from the optical drive. Press on the drive release latch at the rear of the drive and slide the drive out the front of the unit. Note: if you're installing a new optical drive, remove the drive release latch from the optical drive and set it aside for later replacement. Replacement. Note: if you are installing a new optical drive, attach the drive release latch by aligning the pins with the holes in the drive and pressing firmly until the latch snaps into place. Slide the drive into the bay until it locks in place. Reconnect the cables to the drive. Replace the two Torx T15 screws securing the cables to the optical drive and I/O frame.